What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. I am just waking up. It's about 8:15, having my morning tea. I'm tired, y'all, but I'm excited. I wanted to get up early to get this day started, maybe get this project finished before noon. We're still looking the same. Everything is waiting for me to go out there and get started. As you can see, the sun is over there in the corner. That's normally where the garden folk would be. That's what I'm calling my little garden. So yeah, so I'm gonna have my tea. It's a little chilly right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go back in the house because it's chilly out here. Finish this up and start on our day. Okay, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. It's about 9 o'clock now. It's getting late. The sun is moving over, so yeah, I want to go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna set up the tripod so y'all can kind of watch what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna set this up. Yeah, it's about to go down. Take the sweater off and I'm gonna continue. That it was okay, it was easy, but I ain't no spring chicken, so okay, I'm gonna start with my first bag of mulch. Yeah, the sun is really starting to come out now. I feel it on my skin, feels so good. So yeah, let me go ahead and start laying this mulch. We need a rake. mulch. It's all spread out. I may get like 1 or 2 more bags just to kind of even out the areas, but I don't need any right now. The plan is to kind of fence this out. I want to make like a really cute garden, so I want to fence it out, but I'll wait to get the extra mulch then. But for now that we're done with this, I'm going to go ahead and start putting my containers out here. I'm going to take them off of the tables now, and well, the blue table may still go in the garden, but the big table, I don't need that big table anymore. That was just to kind of, you know, have the seeds in a place where they wouldn't get messed up. So I'm gonna go now, take a break, actually have breakfast, let my cat, feed my family, and then I'll be back to kind of clean up and see what else I can do. Okay guys, we are all done with the garden area for today. This is what it's looking like. Yay! We have it all finished for what I can do right now. But anyway, got everybody out here laid out in the sun. Some people are covered, or people, these are not people. Some folks are covered so they don't get attacked, you know, by birds and stuff, our little sprouts that we have so far. And yeah, so everybody has been watered and placed for now. As things get bigger, we will have more containers. I plan on putting, you know, big containers like this and then sitting these containers in there so roots have a chance to spread out and grow and get strong and all that jazz. But right now we're still at the seedling stage, so this was all just pretty much prep work so I can have an area, designated area for my garden once things start sprouting. So yeah, yep, so this is it. And it is noon, right on time. It's about 12 noon right now, so I have everything gone and out of the yard. Table's gone, everything's gone and put away. Garbage picked up, so we have a nice clean area. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for more of the garden. We have a lot yet to come, a lot of things to sprout still, and this is a new journey for me, so hopefully, you know, we can get some real garden folk growing over here in my little mini garden. So yeah, any tips and tricks are always appreciated. I know I'm going to be coming up on needing fertilizer very soon, so yeah, let me know in the comments down below what tips and tricks you guys have, or whatever it is you want to share. I really do appreciate it, and I appreciate you for watching. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.